Hi friends, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you for being here, for watching my videos, for subscribing, liking and comment all my videos that I post every week. So as you can see, today I am going to show you this beautiful and amazing journal that I made with my own little hands, and I will really love to go page by page with this because I've been working for a couple of weeks on this journal, and I really enjoy that it's now finished and I will put it to sell, and I am very happy to show you page by page. So let's begin. As you can see here, I use some flowers, three-dimensional flowers. I add some butterflies and like a tag, and here I use a little lace with leaf details, and the color of the journal is yellowish, and it has very nice prints. Sorry, my nails have a lot of glue because I was gluing on another journal. But yeah, for this it has this nice print, floral print, and I really like it. Here I add a lace, and I think it's nice also always to add a lace, just because it makes it beautiful and you can tie it up and it's nice. So let's open this. I concentrate to make everything like related with nature, and that's why you will see a lot of flowers, a lot of butterflies, a lot of birds, and yeah. So for example, here I create this card with flowers, and then you can write here in the back. Here I create a beautiful tag with this, and yeah, this is nice to put inside your books. Here I add a little bit bow, a little bow, and here I glue the same lace that I have here so that can match everything. For this first page I add this pocket. Look how nice is this, and inside I have this thing. It's a little bee, and yeah, so I think it's nice, so I put it here. And then here's a nice sticker which says beauty is all around. Then here a butterfly, a doily. Here roses, beautiful roses. Here just a big doily, and plants, trees, and a little bird. For this journal, all the pages are white, so some people like tea stain papers, but some people only like white pages because it looks more brand new, more clean, more, I don't know, it's just a different kind of style. So that's why I keep it white pages. Here I add lace, and also I add a card, and I leave the name of the flower just in case you guys love to know the name of flowers. I leave it like this, but you can also trim it if you don't like it. Here I have another one, and a pocket, and this. Here for this page I have this beautiful paper like so. This I glue this with a pocket, And I really like the white pages. For real, I really enjoy that. I'm not scared of white pages. I know some people don't like it or are scared of white pages, but I don't, because it really looks very clean. I think here's a pocket, and yeah guys, so I will go through one by one so that you can appreciate everything. Oh, I add a couple of T-stain paper just in case, for notes or to-do list. I thought it would be a nice idea, and I add this. So yeah, but I also take my time to make this journal. Another pocket here, an envelope. Look how cute is this. Another pocket and another card like this. Yeah, so here an envelope with a card, so you can write in the back. It has some shiny stuff. A bird, some lace, a big envelope, and here I decided to add a butterfly, a big butterfly like this. It's like a card, so you can write in the back, and it's very nice to add this for your journals. It's pretty unique, I found it. Here a page from a book, and I glue this image here. Here is a nice image that I found in a book. Here's a big card, says happy birthday, and I found very nice the image, and in the back postcard. It's a postcard in fact, so yeah. So I also glue these details here. Then for the next page, T-stain paper, T-stain paper. Here is like a card, so you can write here, and a pocket. I tried to try different things so that it won't be like boring or the same in each page, so that's why I add this. Here I add a to-do list, in an envelope here, so that you can add your embellishment, tags, stickers, everything. Here a little nice butterfly. Here a T-stain paper. Oh, that's so cute. Here I glue a pocket that I made at the sewing machine, and I glue it here. Here butterflies like so. Here also a T-stain paper, and here is a pocket. I made a pocket, and I add a card here so that you can, like so. Here a little bow, butterflies, a bouquet, another nice card like so, a little bird. Here a nice envelope with also, like you can write here. It's pretty nice, pretty nice. Here is the same, but I decided to add a sticker, and I think it makes all the difference. Here I add lace. For this page I add this pocket and this flower here, make it more fun and colorful. Here again the little bird, a big butterfly, this little image embellishment, this image, this envelope, and here I add a card, and I do this at the machine so that it has this detail. So yeah, I try to do different things to give it different look. Here also I made another card, so I try to make many cards as I can so that you can use it or give it as a gift, or you know, leave it a note for someone, and it's nice details that you can do. Okay, here a plant with flowers, birds singing, stickers, an envelope. Oh, here I have a tag with a bouquet. So I try to glue this. This is glue. I glue this everything. I made everything myself because this was a paper, and this is also a different paper, and the cardboard is made by myself too, because I glue different much papers together, and then I glue this, and then I glue this, so that's why it's strong like this. Here's a little bunny with a little girl. For this page I made this nice pocket, and I add this tag. How beautiful is this? Look, and I put it here. Here's another kind of card with a flower, and then in the back like so. Then I stamp these feathers, and I glue these stickers. Here I stamp different kinds of feathers. Here I made a bell so that you can add something here. Here is envelope. So yeah, like that, guys. Another big butterfly that I decided to add in this pocket. Wow, this beautiful tea stain paper with shyness. I love it. Same here, here, and here. Yep, here. This little cup card, like so. Pretty cute. And I put it here in this pocket, and I glue this paper here, which is for a pattern, and here a doily, and you can write here inside and hide here if you want. Here the same. I glue these 3 things, images, good times. Here another how you say, pocket, envelope pocket, and I glue this ticket, and I add these 2 cards also with the flowers, so you can write here whenever you want. Then here paper from a dictionary, and I glue a flower. Here this is a nice embellishment, flower, envelope. Here like a French window like this that I stamp this, and I add this nice image. Here just a page like this. Here I glue this lemonade, beautiful, amazing image. This one too. Choose happy sticker, flower sticker. Oh, this is a pocket too if you want to add something. So you have a pocket, butterfly. So yeah guys, I am really happy with this result of this journal. I really think that I made a nice effort, a great job, and I'm very pleased with this. I made this with a lot of love, and I am happy for the person that will be purchasing and buying this. Some pages I leave it without not much stuff, because like that you can add, like I say before, your own stickers and your own stuff. So you're gonna make it more personal. Here a tag just like this with this little fabric lace. Key stain paper, an envelope, a doily here, here I put some stickers. Here I add this flower colored paper here too. I found it very nice, very beautiful, so I glue it here. And sometimes I leave spaces like this so that you can add something here. Here I put these little images. Here is a belt, a little belt, a flower paper print, another belt here, stickers, more stickers, the French door that I made, and I show you in another video how to make this with a card like so. A flower, oops, a flower here, a doily, and another envelope, oh, and a little card like so. And I try to add a little nature touch in every page, so that this journal speaks nature. This is a nice paper that I have, and I glue it here. Here another nice cup of tea with flowers. Here cards, mason jar here on the corner. Here a pocket with a butterfly, and a paper like this, very nice. Here a paper, here inside a colored paper and a pocket here, and with some stickers. Here just a different page. I will my goal was to add this in one page, so I glue it in 2 pages like this so that you can read all the sentences. Here a transparent pocket with a tag. Here another pocket that I saw at the machine, and with a little image. Like so. A to-do list page, and then I leave a white page here because sometimes you want to just have a white page, so I leave it like this. Here I glue a tea stain paper like a pocket, and that's it guys for all this journal. Here I made a pocket, so I will add a card here, I think, so that you can have a nice finish journal. And that's it for this nice nature journal, and I hope you guys enjoy to see the turning pages of this creation. I will be posting this right now on my web page, and the link will be down below. And I hope to see you on my next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment below, and go to see my pictures also on Instagram, because I post every day pretty much on Instagram. And yeah guys, thank you so much for watching, and see you on my next video. Bye bye.